Papaya, a fruit reputedly called the fruit of the angels by Christopher Columbus, comes from a North American tree, Asimina trolopa of the family Ananaceae, with purple flowers and edible yellow fruit. The whole fruit, as well as other parts of the papaya tree, are beneficial to health in several ways. While the health benefits of the fruit are widely known, it is only in recent times that the healing properties of its flowers and leaves have come to be widely recognized. Dengue fever is an extremely serious viral ailment caused by a specific mosquito type, which can have severe consequences. However, before you start panicking, we must tell you that there is a natural and affordable cure to dengue: the juice of papaya leaves. This juice makes the treatment of this condition incredibly simple and easy. In order to convince you of the amazing properties of this remedy, we will explain a few facts about papaya leaves. These leaves are high in important vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, iron, calcium, and phosphorus. Papaya leaves are also abundant in potent enzymes like papain and chymotropin, which dramatically raise the platelet count. Numerous people have experienced great relief by using the incredible health benefits of these leaves, and an experienced Indian doctor has told the following two stories. A 30-year-old lady developed dengue fever and was hospitalized, but her condition became worse after 3 days. The platelets count of the woman fell to 28,000, her lungs became filled with water, and her immune system fought back on its own. Then, a friend offered her papaya leaf juice, which helped her increase the count of the platelet in only 24 hours. This reduced the fever, and after only 3 days, her condition improved and she was completely healthy. Another young boy has been hospitalized due to extremely low platelet count, to even 15,000. The condition of the boy had been really serious, and it did not improve even after blood transfusions of 15 liters. Fortunately, his father learned about this juice from friends, and used it to raise the platelet count to 135,000 in only 24 hours. The boy was quickly cured, and left the hospital, leaving the entire hospital personnel puzzled and confused. Yet, you should know that only the raw leaf of papaya serves as a remedy for dengue fever, and this is how to use it to prepare the remedy. Ingredients: 2 raw papaya leaves. Method of preparation: remove the stems from the leaves, as well as the fibrous portions, and squeeze the juice from the leaves. Use: you should directly drink the juice twice a day, to improve your condition fast. Papaya leaf paste. You can also use these leaves to prepare a paste and get rid of dengue fever. Remember to use raw leaves only. Ingredients: 3 fresh raw papaya leaves. 2 tablespoons of fruit juice of your choice. Method of preparation: put the papaya leaves in a food processor and process them to get a paste. Then, add the fruit juice and mix well once more. Use: consume the paste twice a day for a week, and you will completely treat dengue.